Welcome to another video. So today we have an exponential type of an equation given that 3 raised to x multiplied by 3 raised to x multiplied by 3 raised to x is equals to 72. So this is also a type of an index equation where we are required to apply all the laws of indices. So straight away, let us dive into the solution. And recall that wherever you have an index type of an equation like a raised to n multiplied by a raised to m, then this automatically tells you that you're going to add the powers and the base becomes 1. So a n plus m, like that. So reapplying this in this type of an equation, I'm going to end up with 3 raised to x plus x plus x should give me 72. Well, so now I have 3 raised to 3x should be equals to 72. So at that stage, for me to eliminate or reduce this power, I'm going to introduce the logarithms on both sides. Okay, so if you're watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment with an alternative approach to this solution, turn a notification on, and you can share again. So next, I'm going to introduce the logs or the logarithm on both sides so that I have 3 raised to power 3x is equals to the log of 72. So this power 3x can come down as 3x to the log of 3 should be equals to the log of 72. Next, I'm going to divide all through by log 3. So that I end up with 3x is equals to the log of 72 course divided by the log of 3. From here, it is very easy to see that 72 can be written in terms of its factors as 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 squared. Of course, this is 8 times 9. So I'm going to write 72 as 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 2. So I have 3x is equals to the log of 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 2 divided by the log of 3. You also need to recall that wherever you have the log of a multiplied by b, then this can be expanded as the sum of the two. So it is the log of a plus the log of b to represent that. So this is what is guiding us. Applying it here, I'm going to end up with 3x is equals to the log of 2 power 3 plus the log of 3 power 2. And then, of course, everything is under log 3. So separating them, I'm going to end up with that. Next step, the power can come down from this particular point. Then I have 3x is equals to 3 to the log of 2 divided by the log of 3 plus 2 to the log of 3 divided by the log of 3. So this, it's clear that I can cancel the log of 3, and then I end up with 3x is equals to 3 to the log of 2 divided by the log of 3, of course, plus 2. You also need to recall that wherever you have two logs being divided like that, then this can be re-expressed as a single base as the log of A to the base of B. So applying this here, I'm going to end up with 3x is equals to, of course, 3 to the log of 2, and then the base comes there, plus 2. But remember, at this particular point, I'm required to find the value of x, so I'm going to divide all through by 3, so that I have x should be equals to, of course, this 3 and this 3 cancels. I'm going to end up with the log of 2 to the base 3, of course, plus 2 over 3 as the required solution for that particular problem, given that 3 raised to x dot 3 raised to x dot 3 raised to x is equals to 72. So we're going to go ahead and, of course, verify if indeed 3 raised to x multiplied by 3 raised to x multiplied by 3 raised to x is equals to 72. And here, of course, wherever I have x, I'm going to substitute the all of this. And from the laws, basic laws of indices, when you have this, of course, you have proved that this is the same as adding the powers. So I'm going to substitute x here, and the all of x is that. So I'm going to end up with 3 in bracket the log of 2 base 3 plus 2 over 3. And of course, there's 3 outside, should give me 72. Opening this bracket using this 3, I'll have 3 into 3 to the log of 2 base 3 plus, of course, 3 and 3 cancels, and then you end up with 2 is equals to 72. Next, I know the powers are being added, so this can be separated by, of course, multiplying the bases. So I'm going to end up with 3 raised to 3 to the log of 2 base 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 2. And again, you need to recall at this particular point, when you have a raised to the log of b base a, then this automatically gives you the answer as b, since the base and the base are same. Looking at this particular point, 3 and 3 is the same, so it means this 3 gonna come up as 3 to the log of 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 2 is equals to 72. And I've said the base and the base are equal, so this and this cancels, and I'll remain with 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 2, of course, should give me 72. Of course, 2 power 3 is 8, and 8 multiplied by 3 squared, that is 9. And indeed, we have proved that 72 is equals to 72, which justifies that our particular answer x is equals to log 2 base 3 is actually the required solution. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. Kindly comment. Don't forget to subscribe until we reach 1,000 subscribers. Share this video, and most importantly, turn your notification on